Hello! In this video, we will explore some general features of the new Quantic Connections editor. Grapes.js is a powerful web editing tool that allows you to design pages without the need to write code. In this walkthrough, we will explore some of its most important features to enhance our templates. Let's get started. If we want more control over the arrangement of our columns and text, we need to enable the guidelines option to better manage the space each element occupies. We can adjust the size of each block to customize its space as needed, allowing for greater control over our design. Another important feature of the editor is preview mode, which allows us to see how our template will look before we decide to save it. Additionally, we can expand to full screen mode to have more space when managing the template's resources. One of the most useful features is the ability to view the HTML code of our template. This code can be edited for more specific technical adjustments or shared if we want to use the same template in another format. The undo and redo options, commonly found in many editors, are also available here. You may have noticed these three small buttons in the center of the editor. They allow us to preview how the template adapts to different devices. We usually design for PC, but there are also preview options for tablets and mobile devices. The design adapts well to tablets, but it doesn't seem to work properly for smartphones. Let's fix that. The previous template was not suitable for mobile devices, but let's assume we have an HTML code with the necessary adjustments to make it responsive. Let's use the import code tool to apply those changes to our template. As we can see, the template now displays correctly on mobile phones. In this video, we explored the key tools of the editor, such as guidelines, preview mode, and code import. These features help us better organize our design, maintain alignment, and ensure that every change looks exactly as we want. Mastering these options will make editing smoother and more efficient. Keep exploring and take your designs to the next level.